Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to create gradient background in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's jump back on the screen and learn something amazing together. To create a gradient background in Photoshop is very simple. First thing to do is to select the gradient tool, then open the gradient edit. From there you choose colors for your gradient. So for me, I'm using blue and red for my gradient, so I have to choose the first color, that is the color blue. Then I'll click on OK. From there I'll choose the second color, that is my color. Then I'll click on. Then after I have selected all the colors I want to use for my gradient, I'll then click on OK. Then I'll click and drag on the background I want the gradient to apply on, from the direction I want the gradient to appear. So me, I want mine from top to down, so you click and drag to that direction. After everything, you have your gradient on your background. It's very simple. So let's say you don't want to create your own and you want to use the one Photoshop have already made. It's very simple too. That one too, you open the gradient editor and look for preset. So on the preset, you select the type of gradient you. Let's say I want something pink. You look through the preset and choose pink. Then you just click on the one you like. I want to use this one. Then you click on OK. Then also you click and drag on the direction you want the gradient to appear on your background and release it. So you have this is how to create gradient in. It's very simple.